When you're looking at maintaining or implementing a CPQ solution, it's very critical to have a partner who you're aligned with, who understands your business and what you're trying to implement and achieve. I believe FPX to be a valued, innovative partner in the CPQ space.
We're a division of Daimler, and within DTNA we have a number of brands. We sell about 160,000 vehicles per year, and I would say every single truck is different. So the role of our CPQ system is critical.
At DTNA, our implementation of the FPX technology is with the core rules engine for CPQ.
Our particular CPQ solution is called SpecPro.
SpecPro allows us to create a number of configurations, not just for the orders that are the trucks that become orders every year with about 160,000 trucks, but also for every iteration of a price quote is configured within the tool as well, and those may not become orders. The number of configurations is infinite.
DTNA has been using the FPX solution since the inception of DOS SpecPro in 1986. SpecPro 21 is critical in how we bring orders into Daimler Trucks North America. All of our dealer salespeople use SpecPro 21 to spec and order trucks.
DTNA trucks are very unique in that we do custom builds. Given that on the IT side, you'll have thousands of possible sales codes, and correlated with that would be tens of thousands of business rules for which components are compatible with each other.
There are two primary differences. One is the ability to handle a large number of products, models, and rules, and the second is the speed in which it handles those rules. With 11 different product lines and 27 models and approximately 4,000 published items per database, our CPQ solution is required to handle a large volume of compatibility rules, options, price and weight rules. The FPX technology allows us to do weekly seamless updates and communicate these changes to our dealers to ensure that they're working with the latest and greatest rule set to spec and order their trucks.
For DTNA's implementation of the CPQ tool, it has been very reliable, stable, and technically meets our needs.
I think people that are looking at CPQ solutions should look at simplicity, they should look at speed, they should look at having a stable system and a system that can be scaled for their business.
The FPX technology has helped us to grow, adapt, and scale our business as the business and our products have changed.